Controlling the tongue. Manners of talking. People may look at you and decide what kind of person you are by the way you are dressed, but their final and lasting feeling about you will be on what you say. Think before you speak. Imam Hussein, peace be on him, has said that you should never begin a conversation without first saying salam to the person. Prophet Isa, peace be on him, has said that you should think of your words like gold and find the right time to say what need be as you would find the right thing to spend your gold on. When speaking, always say what is useful, what is truthful, and what is not harmful to anyone. Never say hurtful things or backbite about anyone. Do not even listen to others doing it. Never hurt anyone's feelings, even jokingly. Never use bad language. If you are not sure whether you should say something or not, then it is better to keep quiet. Think before you speak, and imagine if our 12th Imam, peace be on him, is standing next to you. Would you still say what you are going to say?